You ever see something you think, man, I gotta have that, and then you get it and you find out the hard truth? Well, here you go, 9621. This is the kit. This comes with the tool pouch, the ball grip showdown here. So we're going to be dissecting the ball grip, what makes a ball grip great, what makes it bad, the differences in the screwdrivers, of course the tips and the feel and all that stuff. But first, I have a question for you. Examine this picture here. Now, look at this picture here. Okay, hang on. Okay, what do we notice here? Let me help you guys out. Let me put this one here, just like the picture shows. Yeah. This one's actually here. Promise you, this is going somewhere. Got this one here. Yeah, we'll leave this one here. Okay. Do you guys see what's wrong here? Why the hell don't these things stay up here like the picture shows? Unforgivable, man. Completely. What the heck? Okay. Again, 9621. Let's dissect the screwdrivers and the differences. I don't drink the Kool-Aid when it comes to Wera. But credit where it's due, man. They make good screwdrivers. Sometimes. Let's see. We got the Klein ball grip here. Nice flat. Almost like a teardrop. Fits very nicely. Lots of leverage. Feels great here. Good indexing. All around, extremely usable. Double-sided. By the way, we got a free giveaway on this. Go check out the infrared video that we did on the Thermal Master. Comment on that video. It enters you in a pool for a chance to win on Tuesday night, 7 p.m. CST. We're giving away more than 3. If you're a member on the channel, you're in an individual pool just for members for an increased chance to get one. So there you go. I think they're finally out on Amazon now as well. Next ball grip, we got the Vessel. Flat here, very easy to index. Be honest, man, that right there, that's fantastic. It's great. This gives you a lot of leverage. I really like the Vessels. This also came in a multi-piece set. The Vessel's great. Nice, parallel, very flat, true shape for screws. Very good screwdriver. The tips on Klein, not so much, but you can put anything you want in these Klein screwdrivers and they fit. So even this bit backwards fits because it's all a hex. You don't have to have this. Doesn't matter if you have JIS or not. It's going to fit just about every driver except for short 1-inch bits. So when we look at the Vessels, they're all pretty similar here. This is where we grab, right? We grab this screwdriver. This is where we spin on a flat, useless, flat, and then this is hard plastic here. You can hear it. Let's look at the Vessel here. This is where it starts to become different than most Vessels that I'm used to. Rubber, rubber, rubber. This is a hard plastic here. This is a rubber here. This is a hard plastic here. Why does that make a difference? It's a good feeling screwdriver to get torque from. This kind of sits nicely like this, which is fine. The problem with the design of this is that the ball does not make it to the back of your hand to actually use it like a screwdriver quickly. And you wind up spinning on that almost like a triangle point, and it's not a great feel. So yeah, like the picture shows, yes, that's true. That is where you land on that. Use it like a screwdriver like the rest of the world does. Not so much. Is it a deal breaker? I gotta tell you, grabbing this and grabbing on flat plastic feels like a child's toy, and I've never really liked these. They do fit, like if you look at that, it fits in your hand there and it's nice and ergonomic, but at the end of the day, your grip is all back here, hopefully, and you don't get any thumb grip. A lot of grip comes from your thumb, your turning strength, all that stuff is very slippery. So I don't like these screwdrivers. Klein, nice and flat, nice and flat. Vessel, flat, nice, great, okay? Let's see what this kit has to offer. So we got the easy identification on the back of the tools, right there. Man, why? Okay, let's see what we got. Let's check out the ball grips. Etching is huge. Lots of grip for the fastener. Nice flat there. That is a nice looking bit there. Nice profile. I'm not sure what's going on with these flats. It's almost like it's like crimped while it's warm or something. It's interesting. Same thing here. Etching, number 1. Got the number 1 identification. Still feels great. I will say this, the balls are the same shape. So vessels, one of my biggest pet peeves of Vessel is they switch the handle sizes as they change the screwdriver size. Drives me crazy. I do like the ball grips more than the standard Vessel. So if they can make this in a VDE or 1000 volt, that might be pretty cool. But I'm not forgiving them for the tool belt, which is pretty much why I bought this, so we can do a loadout. And we'll try to do a loadout here in a second. All right, moving on. Through and through tang. Through and through, designed for beating. Hexed shaft for your conduit reamer. Pretty heavy, nice little screwdriver here. It's good. It's a good beater. Nice, strong tip on there. No etching, smooth. Then we've got our control 3.5. No etching. Used this a couple of times. It's fine. Flats here. For controls, you don't want too much torque anyway, so this is fine. It's not great. It's not the best feeling. There's definitely better out there. This feels like a toy as well. It looks like a toy. And you can even see like the flex in it. It's okay. Got the etching on the number 2 right there. And then that's the pouch. So let's see what we can do with this. I'd probably keep the number 2. We'll keep the flat. Let's see if we can get a needle nose there. Yeah, kind of fits. Not great. It might train, but you can see how freaking long they are, man. It's like blowing smoke, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. There's better pouches out there. There's better screwdrivers out there. There's your loadout. It's fine. Problem with it? Skinny here. This is guilty of it too, though. Skinny here, so it's going to swing on your tool belt like this, or your pocket. Whatever it's doing. It's not a wide base. It's wider than that, though. That's okay. There's really no room for anything else. And yeah, the screwdrivers did not fit like the advertising showed. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below about that. There's your Wera 9621 quick review. And I don't know, man. I bought this for the pouch, and it looks good. And then you get it, and it's just like, no, that's upsetting. It's upsetting, man. It took me longer to receive this because, of course, it's not something that Amazon just readily stocks. Like 2 weeks. And as soon as I got it open, I was like, all right, there you guys go. That's why this channel exists. You can guys see the truth. Don't forget about the Klein ball grip giveaway Tuesday, 7 p.m. CST. We'll see you guys there.